A lot of times when we're talking about gear, we're talking about big, heavy, expensive gear, but not today. Today I have something else for you. I love camera bags. I have more camera bags than I have lenses or any other gear because there's really no perfect bag. There's a different bag for every situation, depending on how much gear you're bringing, what you're going to be doing, what your objective is. There's a different bag for each specific situation. And I find for me, a big part of my creativity and being able to go out and get new photographs is my comfort. So I need a bag that fits what I need, is comfortable and versatile and useful most of all. So that's why I like shooting with messenger style bags, crossbody bags like this that hang at my side. If I'm going to go out and I have to carry all of my gear and I'm going to be hiking a lot, I'll use a backpack for that, but otherwise I like my gear hanging at my side. So I have big bags for that, I have medium bags for that. I don't really have any small bags for that. So I was looking around for a small messenger style bag that I can fit really the camera with one lens, maybe a second lens, maybe another accessory, and a couple of other personal items. So this is the Lowepro Passport Sling 3. I'm going to take a few steps back, show it to you, then I'm going to give you a close-up. So you can see here how it just hangs at my side. It's actually very comfortable. It's not really big, and it's got a lot of room inside and a lot of pockets, so I'll show you those. So it's got a really cool design. It's very comfortable with the straps. There's enough room in here. I've got my Canon mirrorless full-frame camera with the big 50mm lens on it. Fits beautifully in there. There's a lot of space in here. The compartment, the padded compartment where the camera goes, basically comes out. There's not much padding in here after that, so that's why I like to leave this in here, just to keep my camera in, to keep it nice and safe. But once this is in here and the camera's in here, there's still actually a lot of room for other things. There's a compartment in the front, it's kind of a big flat compartment here if you want to put like a tablet, and it would fit nicely in there. Inside also there's a big space in the back. There's a really large space behind where the camera goes here that you can fit another lens, you can fit a flash, you can fit some other accessories, and if you had more stuff that you wanted to pack into here, this back actually zippers out and expands. You can stuff a lot of things in here. I mean, if you were traveling and you wanted to put a sweatshirt or a jacket in there, you can fit a lot of stuff back there. So there's that on the front. There's a little external pouch here that's great for a water bottle or just putting something in temporarily. A lot of pockets, a lot of little pockets on the front. Another one on the side here. And inside there's a nice mesh zippered pocket in here where you can keep valuables, keep your stuff in the zipper here. So it's really nice. I like the design. It doesn't even really look like a camera bag, but it's very comfortable. It is nicely balanced and it fits just enough stuff when I'm traveling light. It comes in this black color, it comes in gray with like an orange trim, and I've even seen it might be an older model, I've even seen it in like a greenish color also. So check it out, it's the Lowepro Passport Sling 3. It's about $50, $55. I'll put a link below, you can check it out on Amazon. But definitely if you need something small and light and comfortable just to put a little bit of gear in, this is a great option. So I'll put a link here to a video I did about using prime lenses and how I use them using a messenger bag like this. So there's a little demo on how I use a bag like this. And I'll put another link here to a video we did about not using camera straps. We don't use camera straps anymore, just the wrist strap. So I'll put a link to that video here. You can check it out. Remember to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.